Hello everybody and welcome back to FX Tweet. My name is Akash and today we're going to be taking a look at Luna and Luna Classic and discuss what's happening with it. So before we get into that, please make sure to head on over to our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to stay updated to the hottest trends in the crypto market, make sure to also click on the bell icon. You can give us a follow on Twitter at FXSCrypto, and if you enjoy the content that I put out, make sure to give me a follow as well at Mangeko with a 0 at the end. Click this link in my bio, it will take you to my YouTube channel, and if you click this link here, it will take you to my Telegram channel. On my YouTube, I post my take on the market, directional bias, and the trade idea that I'm going to be participating in for the coming week, right? So if you're interested in that sort of content, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon. And the Telegram link here, basically I post the setups that I discuss on my group and update them on my Telegram channel. And since if I do plan to open my Discord channel in the future, I'm going to post a link in my Telegram channel. So let's get into what's happening with Luna, right? It's really interesting that, hold on just a sec, there it is. Right, so let's talk about Luna Classic first, right? On a 4-hour time frame, you can see that I shorted this whole move. Like I think it was this, yeah. So the price formed an inverse head and shoulders pattern here. I shorted the coin here, booked profit somewhere around here, and then I just forgot about it, and the price ran up, like filled the FEG and did all of that. Came back here. It breached the 50% of this particular range here, which is roughly a 600% upswing that we saw here between 19th August and 8th September. After this run up, what basically happened is that the price dropped below the 50% fib and hasn't retested it again. Right. So what I'm expecting now is that since the price has bounced off of this point of control, which is the highest volume traded between 19th August and September. So now that the prices bounce off of this, I feel like it's going to collect liquidity resting above these equal highs, relatively equal highs, and retest the 50% retracement level here at 0.000338. Right. On top of that, if you just use a fib here for this particular downswing here, you can see that the 50% kind of coincides closely with the 62 retracement level. Right. So anywhere from 336 to 362 seems like a good place for Luna to kind of reverse, right? And also, if you check out this particular downswing, right, from here to here, you can see the price tagged the 70 retracement level here exactly, and then reverse lower, right? So I'm expecting something similar to take place here. We might struggle here for a little while, and I think if it does provide a good entry, I'm going to enter here, book profits around here, and then try to look for shorts depending on how the market structure is then, right? Basically, this is my plan for Luna. Apart from that, if you see, like once we kind of get over this particular cluster here, basically anytime, like if we get a breakdown of 261, then I feel like it's going to be a straight move down to this particular support area here, extending from 157 to 166. So that is basically my plan, guys. Like long Luna right now up to 70.5, and then short it all the way down to 167, 166, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, that's what's happening with Luna, guys. Luna Classic. Let's take a look at what's happening with Luna. Well, it's really sad what's happened here, right? I shorted the initial move down here. I think I still have that. Let me just there. Nope. Okay, so yeah, I shorted this move right to the T. I closed it after a 44% downswing, which was really interesting. And after that, I kind of forgot about it for a while. And now we can see that the price, I think it was somewhere around here that I noticed that it is traveling inside another parallel channel here, making this a bear flag pattern. Right? And as a result, I shorted Luna around roughly around 2.95, 2.98, I think. I'm not sure. So from here, I did an initial short, and then I closed, no, didn't close, I added another position down here, I think, somewhere around here and here. Basically, my average entry point was 2.9899 something. And after that, I saw that the price kind of broke down below the parallel channel here, retested it, got rejected pretty nicely, and then the price went down. It almost reached my take profit level here, but I was away from my computer for 2 hours. Then the price basically went back down. And since the price got rejected here and went down here, I thought it was going to be safe to put my stops at break even, and now I did that. The price, I basically got stopped out of this trade, and now I'm just waiting on the sidelines to see how things evolve. Right? I think it's still going to go down, but depending on what Bitcoin's going to do, if Bitcoin sees a massive rally, then I think Luna is also going to try and run up. So yeah, basically the targets are the same here. This support box is starting from 2.1 to 2.21. Feels like a good place to exit position because of all the consolidation that it did before this massive run up. So that is pretty much it for Luna. I still feel like all the coins are going to go to zero, like especially if Do Kwon, the founder of Luna and Terra, kind of gets caught by the authorities. I feel like that's going to be a news that will move the market and potentially push the price all the way down to, I don't know, 2.2, 1.5 seems like a pretty good place as well. So yeah, that is pretty much it for Luna, guys. If you enjoyed this analysis, please make sure to like, comment.